Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to build a Grafana dashboard. Now the first thing I want you to do is come in the left hand panel, click on dashboards, and then click here on new. And you get this drop down, click on new dashboard. Now there's different ways to start your new dashboard. You can add a visualization, you can import a panel as well. If you click here on add library panel, of course you would need to have a library panel already created. Okay, I'll close this. Or of course you can import a dashboard from different files or grafana.com, right? I'll click here on add visualization, and now we need to select our data source, right? So you can choose from any of these data sources that you have already, or you can come here and configure a new data source as well. I'll choose Grafana test data source. You should have this as well. So once you click on it, we'll be on this section. So this is a panel. Okay, you can change the visualization, so you can choose different options and how you want to visualize this panel and that data. Okay, I'll just choose time series for now. And if you want to rename this, you come in the right hand panel. As you can see, we have a title section. So you can name this anything you want. Let's just name it name 1. Okay, and then here you see this. This is the legend. Okay, it says A series. If you want to add more, you can add more queries as well. And then let's refresh this. And you should see right here B series, okay? If you want to rename this, you can come here under alias and name this to anything else. So let's just name it series B instead, okay? And there you go. And of course, if you want to change the start values, you want to assign minimums, maximums, a spread, a noise, or even a drop percentage, you can do that as well, okay? And you can choose your different scenarios. So this one is random walk. You can select from any of these options as well. And once you're happy with it, of course, you can go ahead and make this a transparent background if you would like. And if you want to, change any of these other options, you can do that as well. And once you're happy, just come here, click on a save a dashboard to save the changes. Of course, there we go. Our dashboard has been saved. Now, if I come here back to dashboard, this is what it looks like, right? And if you want to add more to this, just come here, click on add, click on visualization, and then you can do other ones as well. Let's say bar chart, and you can name this to anything you want. I'll just name this bar chart, just like that. And then let's add this as well. We'll save this dashboard. If you want to add a note to describe your changes, you can do that as well. Completely optional. We have saved this. Let's go back to our dashboard. And there we go. If you want to bring this up here, you can just, click on it and replace that, or you can drag and drop as such and just bring this to the side. There you go. So we have created our dashboard. You can save the changes. I'll just save this as it is. And if you want to set the name, you can just click on it, click here on settings, and just put the name of the dashboard. I'll just type in a tutorial. There we go. Click on save dashboard. And you are basically done. We have our dashboard. Of course, you can continue customizing this, but that is how to build a Grafana dashboard.